Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair video. Oh my bad, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you are watching this video. I greet you because I promised to be greeting you guys this year, so I am trying my best. Okay, so here I have another hairstyling video for you, and I know you will definitely love this because the styles are so beautiful and the hair are so healthy. And oh my god guys, these ladies are taking good care of their hair and I love it. You guys, I so much love it. I love seeing natural girlies, doing their things. I so much love it. And yeah, so with the like and the view I got on the last video, I decided to go ahead and post more styles for you guys to enjoy and also to explore. So yeah, I hope you like these ones and I promise to keep more of it coming. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, join the family, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, love ya.
You are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself, the way you are, because you are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself the way you are, because you are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Awesome just the way you are.